Hello, welcome to Big Fish English. Let's continue our English conversation practice by describing this new picture. Take a moment to look at it and describe what you see.
Hello, Big Fish. In this picture, I see a family at a train station. They are buying tickets from a machine. There are two children, a boy and a girl, with their parents. The girl is pointing at the screen, and the father is holding a ticket.
Excellent observation. Let's go deeper. What do you think is happening in this scene?
It looks like the family is getting ready to travel. They might be going on a vacation or visiting relatives. The children seem very excited.
Very good. Let's capture some vocabulary. What words come to your mind related to this picture?
Ticket, machine, family, travel, vacation, screen, excited, pointing.
Perfect. Now, let's think about some phrasal verbs that might fit into this scenario. Can you think of any?
Maybe pick up as in pick up the tickets and get on for when they board the train.
That's right. Pick up is a phrasal verb that means to collect something, and get on means to board a vehicle. Can you use these in sentences?
Sure, the father is picking up the tickets from the machine. The family is excited to get on the train.
Great job! Let's expand on that. What might happen next after they pick up the tickets?
After picking up the tickets, they might figure out which platform they need to go to and wait for the train to arrive. They could also buy some snacks or drinks for the journey.
Excellent imagination. Now, let's highlight another phrasal verb. How about figure out?
Figure out means to understand or find the solution to something. In this context, the family is figuring out which platform to go to.
That's right. Let's use it in a full sentence.
The family is figuring out which platform they need to go to after picking up the tickets.
Very good. Let's add another phrasal verb. How about hurry up?
Hurry up means to do something more quickly. The family might need to hurry up if they are running late.
Exactly. Can you use hurry up in a sentence related to this scenario?
The family needs to hurry up to catch their train on time.
Excellent. Now, one more phrasal verb. Run into. Do you know what it means?
Yes, run into means to meet someone by chance. The family might run into some friends at the station.
Perfect. Let's use that in a sentence.
The family was surprised to run into their neighbors at the station.
Very good. Now, let's create a little story around this scene. I'll start, and you continue. Once upon a time, there was a happy family planning a trip to visit their grandparents. They arrived at the train station early in the morning.
They went straight to the ticket machine. The father picked up the tickets while the daughter pointed at the screen, showing their destination.
The mother and the younger child figured out which platform they needed to go to on the information board. They were all very excited about the journey ahead.
After finding their platform, they decided to buy some snacks. The children were eager to choose their favorite treats.
While waiting, the family realized they needed to hurry up because the train was arriving soon.
As they rushed to their platform, they ran into their neighbors who were also traveling on the same train.
Excellent continuation. Let's summarize the new vocabulary and phrasal verbs we discussed today. Can you list them?
Sure, phrasal verbs pick up, get on, figure out, hurry up, run into.
Excellent! You have used all the phrasal verbs correctly. Keep practicing these words and phrases in different contexts to strengthen your English skills. Great job today! Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.